All right, welcome back, guys. If you are watching this video, you have now mastered the 3-6-3. So now we're moving to the 6-6. And then at the end of this video, I'll be showing you the first transition, which is moving from one part of the cycle stack to the next. And that will be the 3-6-3 to the 6-6. So to practice the 6-6, all you're going to do is take half those cups off, spread them out a little bit. And basically what we're doing is making a 6-6, just like we did with the 6 stack when we did the 3-6-3. So again, I'm going to take 3 cups and 2 cups. Again, whatever hand you want to go first should be grabbing the 3. And it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's all I've done is I've created 2 6 stacks and there's no 3s in this part. Remember, go back to the beginning. I always like to think when I go back to the beginning, it's like reading a book. When you read, you go one direction and you come back to the next line and continue. So again, it doesn't matter which direction you do it in, but if you think about the reading, you'll kind of understand of how to always go back to where you started. Because again, when you read, you don't read like this. We go down and then come back. So I'm going to down stack these now. Now this is going to be a little different because what's going to happen is I'm going to take these cups. I'm actually going to use these to down stack the other 6. So it's not going to be 2 completely different down stacks. So we'll go slowly at first. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and go down. As I'm coming over here, I'm going to grab this middle cup. These cups can now head over back to this one. And as I grab this, I'm going to go ahead and take them all down and then pop them in the middle. So we'll do that again a little bit faster this time. So we have our 6, our 6. So it's down, grab, and go. Down, grab. And that's it for the 6-6. So like I said earlier, we're going to go ahead and move forward into the 3-6-3 to the 6-6. So same deal. I'm going to set up my 3-6-3. This is where we're starting. And we're going to build the 3 stack first. And we'll move to the 6. We'll move to the 3. Back to the beginning. Very important. Down stack, and we're going to pause for just a moment. Now, this is what's called the first transition. What I'm going to be doing here is transition from the 3-6-3 to the 6-6. And you'll see how when we're done with this, we'll end up with all the cups just like we did when we practiced the 6-6. So what I'm doing here is I'm splitting off my hands. This is the one time in speed stacks that you can use just one hand for one stack. And the reason why is it goes faster. Now, there is a rule. The rule is I am not allowed to touch these cups until these cups are brought down. But by splitting off and waiting, it's going to be faster than me taking both hands over here. So here's how it works. We're going to go out and in. And the reason why you go out in, because I'm going this way, and I'm not bringing them over here anyways. If I do this and then this, once again, if you do that, it's fine. But when you are under 13, 14 seconds, these little pieces will slow you down. So I'm going to reset. It's going to be out, in. Now this hand is allowed to touch these since this is down. So what I'm doing here is I'm getting ready for my first 6 of the 6-6. I'm taking these 2 cups off, bringing these over at the same time. And now I'm going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we go right into our next 6. And then everything else is the same that we practiced earlier. Down, grab, and go. And that is how you do the 3-6-3 to the 6-6 transition. We're going to do it one more time. I'm going to do the whole thing, and we'll go ahead and kind of pick up the speed just a little bit. Remember, always start with your hands on the table. And there you have it. And this will lead us then to the final part that you'll see in the next video.